I specifically wanted a revolutionary themed institute this year. I was so grateful when Fort Ticonderoga accepted my application, because I have been thinking and pondering this entire year how I'm doing teaching the founding of our nation and what that means this year. So I specifically have brought those thoughts and those questions to the Institute, and that's just been such a valuable resource.
Since 2013, Fort Ticonderoga has brought hundreds of teachers to participate in the Fort Ticonderoga Teacher Institute. During the course of the week, our K-12 educators get a chance to explore documents and objects in our collections. Those teachers return to their classrooms across the country and share the history of Fort Ticonderoga, the American Revolution, and principles of the founding of the nation.
My advisor is very good about getting us pre-service teachers out into the field. Institutes like this are valuable because they help me get more of a refined vision of history. It's like I have my classes, yet all these teachers come from a different walk of life, different size schools, different teaching styles, and just being able to absorb all of that, being able to pick the brains of another teacher about, oh, how do you come across this in your classroom, or this with how many issues that are in education now, that just helps me get a better idea of what I should do in a classroom.
I believe that to understand the future and to understand the present day that we live, we have to look to the past. I want the students to understand where we've come from, the ideals we've built on as a country, and where we are now. And are we honoring those people that have sacrificed so much for our nation? How would they feel about where we are today? And what's your personal part in that? I think when we look to the founding, we teach American students and Americans in general how to be good citizens of our country.
I teach the Revolution with my 4th grade class, and I really wanted to further my knowledge of events surrounding the American Revolution, before, after, during, and this was just a fantastic opportunity to do that. The big takeaway was the things that I have learned that I can take back to the classroom, those primary source documents, getting to take pictures of objects here that I can put in my presentations and show my students, and even getting to go out on the boat, see Mount Independence, Mount Defiance. Whenever I cover those topics with my students, I can tell them that I've been there, show them real drawings of how it was then and then how it is now.
We here at Fort Ticonderoga are so thankful to all of the donors that make it possible for us to work towards our goal of bringing in teachers from all 65 states, territories, and the District of Columbia in order to have an active, ongoing conversation about the past and its importance to present and future generations.
Sometimes you can really feel discouraged by looking at the news, or discouraged about the state of our country, or things that are really negative. And so I think that this has been a way to positively honor our country and feel good in being patriotic.